We have a government in Delhi that is imposing its will, its power on the judiciary.
The judgment was given by the Supreme. Some of the judgment given by the Supreme Court seems to be one-sided. There is a feeling among the public that there are some influences is taking place there. And one of the former Chief Justice also charged by a sexual abusement case, and that threatening is also there. So what is the actual remedy for clearing this Indian judicial system?
Well, first of all, that's a question that is on many people's minds. This is not just on one person's mind. And you notice that because it is about the Supreme Court, my fellow member of parliament is hesitating in translating. You can see that. And I understand why. I understand why he is hesitating, because the Supreme Court is very powerful. But just because there is hesitation to translate, or there is fear among people to speak about these things, doesn't mean the truth is going to disappear. We have a government in Delhi that is imposing its will, its power on the judiciary. The problem is with the government, who is not allowing the institution to be and do what it should do. It is not only with the courts. They do not allow us to have discussions in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. They drop elected government after elected government after elected government. For the first time in independent Indian history, winning an election actually means losing it. And losing an election means winning it.